Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for honest and professional reviews. In today's video, we're diving into what might just be the best car diagnostic tool professional scanner available on Amazon right now. It's the UMEIJA OBD2 scanner with an upgraded battery tester. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY car enthusiast, this little powerhouse might be exactly what you need to keep your vehicle in peak condition. Let's find out why. Right out of the box, the UMEIJA OBD2 scanner feels solid. It's compact, rugged, and fits comfortably in your hand. You'll notice a sturdy 2.5-foot cable with a thick insulation layer and a standard 16-pin OBD connector. That makes it universally compatible with all OBD2 ports. The 2.8-inch screen is crisp and bright, offering an intuitive interface supported by 6 easy-to-navigate buttons. It's a plug-and-play design, meaning no setup or battery is required. It draws power directly from the car. This tool functions like a pocket mechanic. It can quickly read and clear engine fault codes, display live data streams graphically, view freeze frame data, and monitor the mil or check engine light status. It also checks I/M readiness and pulls essential vehicle information, giving you a detailed snapshot of your car's health. It's great for pre-inspection checks before emissions testing, or just to know whether that check engine light is serious or not. But that's not all. It includes a built-in battery tester that measures voltage to help you monitor your battery's status. Although it doesn't test the battery's full life or output current, it's more than capable of helping prevent unexpected dead batteries. If you're wondering whether it will work with your car, the answer is likely yes. That means it works with most vehicles sold in the US since 1996 and in Europe or Asia since 2000. Whether you drive a sedan, SUV, light truck, or a newer import, this scanner likely has you covered. It also supports multiple languages, making it useful for users worldwide. Beyond basic code reading, the scanner includes advanced diagnostic features. It can test O2 sensors and evap systems, essential for keeping emissions low and engine efficiency high. It also helps regulate fuel injection and combustion for better mileage and cleaner air. Though it doesn't read ABS or gearbox faults, for the price and range of features, it's impressively capable. The UMEIJA scanner is powered by an upgraded microprocessor that delivers fast, accurate results. It's simple enough for beginners and reliable enough for pros. Whether you're troubleshooting a warning light or just doing preventive maintenance, this tool gives you confidence and control. And with professional customer support and a patented design, it's backed by people who know what drivers need. So if you're looking for an affordable, accurate, and powerful OBD2 scanner that won't let you down, the UMEIJA might be your best bet. We'll drop the Amazon link below so you can check it out for yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product critiques every week. Thanks for watching.